In the western Atlantic, from Maryland in the United States to the Bahamas and south of Brazil lives a fish called the blue parrotfish, which is also a member of the parrotfish genus. Slowly moving through the coral reefs in shallow waters, they are blue with a yellow spot on their heads that fades as they age. No other species has this blue color as adult blue parrotfish. The blue parrotfish can grow 30 to 75 centimeters in length, sometimes even reaching 1.2 meters in length, and almost weigh 9.5 kilograms. They develop a large beak like other parrotfish, which they use for scraping algae and small organisms from rocks on the seabed. The beak is shaped into an arch shape. In the summers, blue parrotfish gather in spawn groups. Sexual interaction occurs, and the female deposits their eggs into the water columns, after which they sink to the bottom of the seabed. The eggs then hatch after 25 hours. The blue parrotfish has a wide range and is abundant in most of that range, some of which is in marine conservation areas. Although larger individuals are targeted by fishermen, the population of this fish seems to be stable overall.